from the day that this happened through this day, he's had problems handling what he has done. He fully knows the gravamen of his actions, and he spends his day, literally, and it sounds hackneyed, but he spends the bulk of his time praying for Mr. Leotta and trying to seek amends in any way he can. And that goes for his family also.
Why the guilty plea?
What?
Why the guilty plea? Is that one of the reasons that he decided to plead guilty?
No. He decided to cooperate for obvious reasons. You heard the proffer of the state. They had the evidence. And it didn't make any sense to entertain a 4 or 5 day trial.
What are you going to be asking for at sentencing?
Well, obviously, any reduction in the sentence will be asked. I'd ask that the judge kind of look at the guidelines and look at the pre-sentence investigation, which they've ordered. I can't tell now exactly what I'm going to say because I haven't seen the pre-sentence investigation.
Could you give us any sense, any kind of explanation of why he would do this and why, right to the point that they said more than 2 times, it was close to 3 times the legal limit. Why would he do that and go get in the car and then, according to the evidence, never even brake before he ran right into the officer? Why would he do that? Is there any explanation?
I know of no explanation that could be given other than he drank too much and got confused with the lights.
What has Lewis told you about his recollections leading up to the point of impact?
I can't relate that.
Say again?
I couldn't relate that.
I mean, has he told you his version of events?
Obviously, I know everything in his version of events, but anything said to me, obviously, I can't relate.
Will you be sharing that at sentencing in August?
Anything along those lines would be said by Lewis to the court.
Was he born in the United States?
Oh, he's native born, as is everyone in his family. His mom and dad are citizens who migrated from Cuba.
And what does he do for a living?
Prior to this, he was a server at Bethesda Country Club.
That's right.
Bethesda Country Club.
And why was he, you probably can't answer this either, but to me, to be prescribed 3 Xanax a day, that sounds strange.
Anxiety. That's what Xanax is for, is anxiety.
Some pretty serious anxiety.
That's a doctor's call, not mine.
Has he had any contact in any way with the Leotta family or the Montgomery family in terms of maybe a letter or an apology?
No, the time was not right for him to go to them. It will be at the sentencing phase of it. Obviously, his family wanted to, to go to the funeral and do those things, but I didn't think that was the time to do it for obvious reasons.
What does Lewis think about Noah's Law and just the overall push to try and strengthen DUI laws in Maryland?
He said to me, some good has come out of this.
Can you tell us
So
why?
he supports it.
But
He supports Noah's Law.
yes, he does.
He's explicitly said that.
Explicitly said that.
And does he have a long history of this kind of behavior?
Not within the last almost quarter of a century.
I'm sorry?
Any involvement he had with drinking, the stops were in 88 and 99.
Can you tell us why you asked for a pre-trial investigation, a pre-sentence investigation rather? Is that in a way to hopefully reduce the sentence in your argument?
Well, a pre-sentence investigation, they usually go to the family and they give their thoughts. And with this type of family, as close-knit as it is, and the obvious remorse that not only does my client have, the entire family has, I think this can be portrayed by a third party, not yours truly at sentencing, and oftentimes it fits well in the sentencing program.
Which might eventually help him get a lesser sentence. Is that what I'm understanding?
It could. It could.
Thank you so much.
Got it?
Appreciate your time.
No problem.